Normally they can't shut me up. G'day all, I'm Chris from Built by Chris. You may know me from such classics as how I sharpen my chisels. When this one came back from the guy, it looked like, I don't know, he used it as a doorstop. And making a clamp rack.
Now you use these for clamping obviously.
If you want to know where my channel is, there'll be a link up here. I'm here to talk about the Magswitch. Now if you've got a cast iron top on your table saw, these are the things you need. You're not governed by your mitre slots. You can put your featherboard down anywhere on the table and it's going to hold fast and it won't move, and it'll make your cuts easier, safer and more accurate. Now the principle behind these mag switches is they work on a magnet. Obviously that's what the mag part of the switch means, and this is what they are. There's an on-off switch. You turn it on and it's not moving. It is stuck to that table, and then you turn it off and it comes off easy. So it just means that you can position it anywhere and it's going to hold. What I have here is the basic starter kit. Now with this kit alone, you can make a million cuts. Nice and easy. And I'll show you an example. A piece of board, normally you want to run it against your fence, keep it nice and tight against the fence. You'd use a featherboard for that application. So you'd run up the other fence to your cut, to where you're going to be cutting. Lock your fence down, move your featherboard across until it's touching, turn it on, and there you have a nice, firm, straight cut. So I know what you're thinking.
You're thinking, did he fire 6 shots or only 5?
Why would I use this featherboard as opposed to my $5 featherboard? Well, the reason is, you can use this anywhere on the tabletop. You're not governed by your mitre slots. It's easy to use. If you need to make small adjustments, it's just a matter of turning them off, making a small adjustment, and then putting them back on again. Just the convenience aspect of it alone would make me want to buy one of these. You can put this anywhere on the bench. You can make micro adjustments with it. It's easy to use, and you don't have to worry about mitre slots. You don't have to worry about moving your fence. All in the one kit. You can just set and forget. And if you're into making your own jigs, the good thing about the starter kit is these magnets are removable. They come out and you can put them into your own jigs, and they work just as well. And another thing with the starter kit, the feathers on here are reversible. Very simple to do. All you got to do is remove a couple of screws, flip it over, put it back on, and then you're good to go on either a router table or a bandsaw. But if you can't be bothered with any of that, Magswitch make this little jigger here that's fully reversible. All you got to do is basically turn it around. Use it on your table saw, use it on your bandsaw, use it on your router table. A lot easier. So the next logical step in the Magswitch family is your vertical featherboard. And what this piece does is it holds down the timber to the workbench, keeps it nice and firm against the tabletop. And they're very simple to put together, and if you don't believe me, just watch this. Now the next piece in the jigsaw puzzle with the mag switches is the riser kit that comes separately. Where I would use this is if I've got a piece of timber with a live edge that I want to get rid of. I want to cut a rebate into this. This is where I'd use my riser kit. All I would do is move my fence up to where it needs to go, where I'm going to cut it out, lock it down, move the mag switch in, lock that down, and now my piece is being held tightly against the fence. And as with the last one, Very, very simple to put together. Just watch how I do this. And with this setup, there's a million different ways you can use it. I'm only showing you one example that I would use it for. You're only literally limited by your own imagination. So this video is just an introduction into the Magswitch range of products, and they can do so much more. And I'll be back in future videos to show you exactly what they can do. So in the meantime, if you want more information regarding these products, click on the link below. And I've been Chris, and I'll see you all next time. Bye for now.